errands to run. Anyway. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up my BOXYCHARM. I'm not that excited. No. Kind of just doing it. I think this is my base box for the month of July. Currently August. But we're making it work. We're making it work. Let me get my little knife, open this bad boy up. We're gonna see what's inside together. Oh, BOXYCHARM. And this month's theme is sunshine, similar to my BOXYCHARM premium that I opened in July, for the month of July. This is July, also July. Even though this is August, this is July. Okay, let's go ahead and get to this. I got box variation number 75. On the back of your card that you get with your box, it'll tell you down here in the corner what box you got, and mine is 75. I'm gonna go through all the products that I got. We'll do this. We're just gonna do this. Numero uno, Babe Lash. Babe Lash. Okay. So the first product is called Babe Lash. This retails for $59. What are you? Babe Lash Lash Essential Serum. Give you your lashes you've been looking for, enhancing the appearance of length and volume over time. Okay. So Babe Lash is a lash serum, and I'm curious. I'm gonna open it. It says lash like a boss. I do. Thank you. Okay, so all this, the best. I believe these are the instrucciones. Yeah. They give you a little bit of before and after pictures on here, and then the instructions on how to use them with pictures in case you are like me and you don't care to read. It is all packaged up. But that is a really cute container. Look at that. I like that. Okay, so this is really nice. I'm probably going to be using this. Not that I need it, but I want to see what it's going to do. I don't think I've ever used any kind of like lash products, so this is a first for me. So again, this is the Babe Lash. Retails for $59. $59. Next, we have the CIATE London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Oh my god, I wanted this. Where are you? Hi. Nice. I love their packaging too. It is the cutest. Look at that. And the little bow on top, because it's like a gift from me to me because I paid for it. But still cute. This retails for $22. I will be using this. If I can open it. People walking. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is a beautiful product. Packaging is amazing, and you can already smell the coconut. I do have setting spray on already, but that mist though, that mist means business. Wow. Can't see it, but the mist was really fine, and it kind of sprayed like, does it have a thing? No. Sprayed really well. Smells like a vacation. Thank you, CIATE London. I needed this. But again, $22 for this. Love it. Next, we have the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette for $30. Where are you? Yep. Yes. Oh, that is cute. Look, it comes in this bubble wrap, so hopefully nothing has broken. pop this out here. Oh, those are so beautiful. Look at that. That is lovely. Oh. So, it is really challenging for me to find a bronzer for my skin tone. And this is probably not gonna work for me. I could probably take these and turn these into eyeshadows because I do like Ace Beauty. They make really good products. But jeez Louise, what am I gonna do? I might be able to get away with these. They just look really, really dark to me. And I know that's what bronzers are supposed to do, but ooh. I'm gonna try it. I will try it. I will try it. I will make an effort to try this. Because I like the brand, I will make an effort to try these. Fair? Fair. Oh, one more time, $30. This little cutie, $30. Next, we have the Pure Perfect Your Selfie Face Palette for $24. That'll be this little guy. Yeah, look. Also bubble wrapped. Bubble wrapped for days, I swear. How do I open you? Do I open you? Yeah, maybe. A little difficult, but I got it. Okay, that's cute. Look at that. Pure Perfect Your Selfie Face Palette. Let's take a look inside. Oh, that is so cute. So you have like your blushes on this side, your eyeshadows over here, and you have a cute little mirror for like on the go. This, I can honestly probably see myself using this a few times because this has nice colors. I think I could try these. I don't see why not. Looks like a little bit of shadow got out of the pans here and there, but that's okay. That's what the protecting covering is for. Still cute though. I like this. I might have to give this a try. Perfect Your Selfie from Pure. And this again, $24. Nice though, let me tell you. I'll just put you back. Okay, and then last we have the Lavish Quick Color Swatch Dry Brush Cleaner for $20. And that'll be this little fella right here. Let me open you up. Oh, are these like the little... Oh, yes. I love these. These have saved me so much. So you have a brush. This is your numero uno, bestie, sidekick, always there for you. Your day one, you use it for whatever you could. You're going on with your color, you want to go to another color, but you don't want to mix the colors. Take the buddy, put it on the pan, wipe it around, just like that. Bam. Mostly clean brush, mostly. Then you go on to your other color. I have one right here. I use them often and they're so great to just take these little things, pop them out, rinse them off real quick, dry them, pop them back in here. Or if you're in the middle or whatever, one side is too dirty, take it out real quick, flip it over, and then go about your business. Just remember though, at some point you're gonna have to clean these. But now I have two, so I may not have to clean them that much. So, but again, this runs for $20. I think I picked mine up for like $3 at Ross. But okay, $20. Maybe it's Maybe it actually cleans my brush. But that is the box. So for $20 a month, roughly, I got all these products. And I think that is very, very good. Considering I really like a lot of the products that I got, and I see myself using all of them, I think this month's BOXYCHARM was a hit. Let me know what you got in your July BOXYCHARM box, even though this is August. But I mean, quarantine things, it's gonna take a while. Again, the theme for this month's box is sunshine. Pretty cute, pretty nice, like it all. I'm gonna be using it all. Definitely a great box. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will catch you next time. Thursday, Sunday, we do this thing right here, you and me, all of us together, and that's it. Bye.